Alright guys, we're doing, in the math book, page 79, we're going to do the guided problems. So this is number 1. Molly bought a ball for $2.40. She also bought a toy airplane for $3.25. How much did she spend altogether? So what's the question? How much did she spend altogether? What are the labels? Dollar sign, dollar sign. What does that tell us? We're adding or subtracting. Clues and keywords. Altogether. What does altogether tell us to do? To add. So when we add money, we have to line up our decimal points. So if my first problem is 2.40, I know that my decimal point has to line up, and then my other numbers can line up. And I know I'm adding money. There's my plus sign, so 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. Bring down my decimal point. 2 plus 3 is 5. Bring down my dollar sign. Okay, number 2. Peter bought a game for $5.98. He had $1.22 left. How much money did he have at first? What's our question? How much money did he have at first? What are the labels? Dollar sign, dollar sign. Clues and keywords. We know we have left, which means to subtract. And we know we have at first, which means to add. Oh, to go back, we know the dollar sign and dollar sign tells us that we are adding or subtracting. So which of these keywords is stronger? We know it's at first because it is in the question, so we are adding these. Again, we are going to line up our decimals. So if that's my first number, line up my decimal, then I'm going to put the 22 in there. Then I can add in my other numbers. All right, 8 plus 2, 10. What stays? 0. What goes? 1. 9 and 1 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. What stays? What goes? 5, 1 and 1 is 7. Bring down my decimal point. Bring down my dollar sign. Problem number 3. Paula bought a snack from a vending machine for 65 cents. Later, she bought lunch for $3.45. How much did she spend on food? What's our question? How much did she spend on food? What are the labels? Cents and dollar sign. What does that tell us? They're both still talking about money, so we're adding or subtracting. Clues and keywords. How much did she spend? They're wanting us to put it together, so we're adding. Now we have a problem with this one because we cannot add something with the cent sign and something with the dollar sign. So we either have to change them both to the cents or we have to change them both to the dollars. So I'll show you both ways, okay? So let's just take it with the dollar sign. And when I have 65 cents, where would my decimal point be if I took away that cent sign? We know it would be right there in front of the 65, and I'm adding. If I do it the other way, if I want to take $3.45 and take away the dollar sign and the decimal point, I know it will look like this. And then I can simply add my 65 cents underneath it. Either way, you're going to get your same answer, okay? 5 plus 5 is 10. What stays? 0. What goes? My 6 and 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11. What stays? What goes? 3 plus 1 is 4. Bring down my decimal point. Bring down my dollar sign. Here, it's the same thing. I know that that is 10. I know that that is 11. I know that that's 4. 410 cents. Both of those are the same. Either answer is acceptable. So you try to do page 80 and let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.